the overwhelming theme, year one and now year two, which is the Trump administration and a new American foreign policy. You spoke of a multipolar world, maybe something that I'd see from Fareed Zakaria, something about a new Eurasia. These geopolitical dynamics that play into a better global economy. We have a better global economy. How do we sustain it given the debate within the United States?
Yeah, we have a better world economy, but we're also getting a lot of noise actually from Washington DC in the form of a fiscal policy which is coming at an odd moment in the sense that it's very rare to get into a proper fiscal expansion at a time when the cycle is actually quite strong. The Fed has been fairly bold actually in its approach, hiking rates without waiting for inflation to be
Chairman
completely
Powell
blatant.
walked through the atrium where nobody really knew who he was. It was like, who's that guy over there? He's the new guy there. From Europe, what do you want to see from Chairman Powell as we go to the IMF meetings in Bali? What do you need?
Probably the interest of Europe is to get the most hawkish monetary policy you could expect from the US. For Europe, the big issue at the moment is that our own monetary policy is stuck because we are afraid of triggering too much of a currency appreciation, which is already actually quite significant. So the more the Fed is hawkish, the more it continues actually to deliver on its dots, and the more the market believes that it can deliver on its dots, the easier it is actually for Europe to normalize its monetary policy at its own pace. It's a very odd situation in which I think a lot of people in the world would want the Fed to go
Does the ECB
fast.
not have to follow the Fed? If the Fed goes faster than expected, then does the ECB actually have to really start talking about tapering ASAP?
No, I tend to disagree actually, because we are a very open region. I always start with that. Exports to GDP, the ratio in Europe is twice the ratio in the US. Our FX issue is absolutely central. The more we can get some comfort on the external side, the more actually we have time to to fine-tune our monetary policy really on our domestic needs, without being stuck in the situation we are now.